course. New mezzo, by the way.
Okay, check that in a second.
Working on.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Patrick County in southwest Virginia, southwestern Franklin County and west central Virginia until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and 4:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 9 miles southwest of Ferrum or 8 miles east of Woolwine, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Ferrum. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing golf ball-sized hail and destructive straight-line winds. When it is safe to do so, please relay your severe weather reports to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening for northwestern North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening for northwest North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening for west central Virginia and southeast West Virginia.